Hey everyone, welcome back to another very exciting tutorial. So in today's video we are going to learn something new which is announced in iOS 14. So as you must have seen already on the thumbnail that in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use different types of color pickers in Swift UI, or you can say Swift now, because this option is actually available in both Swift UI and Swift. So here you can see I have this view where this color is showing. If I tap on this, it will present me this color picker where you have different options to pick the color. For example, first is grid where I can select this option. Then we have the spectrum option from where you can select whatever color you want. And the third one is the slider where you have this RGB red green blue slider, and you can select. Also you can give your hex color value here directly, and you can use that. Also you can set the opacity here. Apart from this, you have this option also here. If you click on this, you will get a picker like this and you can rotate. So when you click on that, you just have to hold on that click, and once you release it, it will select that color and again open the picker with the selected value. So for example, if I move this here and if I leave my click now, it will directly open the picker view with the color which I have selected, and it will show me that okay, if you want to select that, it will be selected. And at the bottom you can see here we have this plus button. So if I tap on plus, that color gets added here, and next time when I'm coming back to this color picker, I can select the color from there. So previously I've selected this some colors, so that are already shown here. So let's start and see how you can do this in UIKit. In SwiftUI I have already made video previously, so this option is going to be used in normal UIKit. So the two options which are available is, one is UI color well. So this is called as UI color well, where you can see if I select any color, that color will be selected and it will be shown in the center of the view. So for example, if I run this again, you can see at the start it is showing me all the colors like the color rainbow, and when I tap on this and if I select any color, for example if I select green and if I close it, you can see at the center now I am able to see the green color, and the background is also turning green because I have set the view background to the selected color. So let's see how you can use this in your actual application. So the first one is UI color well, the second one is actually color picker controller, which I will explain you after explaining this one. So what I have done here is I have declared one variable at the top which is of type color well, UI color well, and then in the view did load I have just called this method to add this on the view. So I have added this here programmatically, but you can do this through storyboard also. So just create a view with UI color well and set that inside the storyboard in the class. And then here you can see first I have set the frame which is 0 0 and 50 50. Then I have set this to as a subview of my main view, and then I have set it to the center of the main view, and then I have given my title also, and then I have added one target method which will be called every time I select any color. So for that I have used here value changed, and then this function gets called and I am setting the selected color there. So let's see where we can see the title. So here you can see if I tap on this, here my title is coming, so you can give any title you want, and then after that you have already seen that how you can use this, and it will just replace that color here. So it's very easy to use and very good option where you have some functionality which you can directly give to user to select color for your views. So this is one. Now let's see the second part, which is actually I have did here in the view controller, second view controller. So I will now run this, and then you can see for second view controller I have used the UI picker view controller delegate. So you can see this is the button. Once I tap on this button, it will open me the same options. So here we have not used UI color well like this, we have directly used the color picker controller. So you can give same options here again and again. To use this functionality you just have to tap and keep that tap option click only, and once you release on anything, then it will open the again color picker with the selected color, and now I have selected gray color. So now if I select here plus, this gray color will get added here, you can see for me, and you can slide this and you can add more colors here. And now let me just close this, and you can see it is showing me that color at the background. So I have selected green by default, that's why it was showing me that. But now if I select my gray color here and if I close it, you can see that color is coming at the background. So this is how you can use it, and the functionality is very simple. I have just created one color picker controller here in my button pressed method. Then I've set the delegate, and if I'm setting the delegate, I need to confirm this UI picker controller delegate, and then I've just set present it. In completion, if you want to do anything, you can do. I have not done anything here. And then we have confirmed to these two delegate methods, which is one is gets called when it's selected color, means you have select the color, then it's get called. And then if you want to do after finishing that functionality, you can do something that is here. So that's all guys for this video. I hope you have learned something new and it will be helpful for you. And yeah, if you find this useful, then share it with your friends, and if you have any suggestions for me for the future videos, let me know in the comment section below. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.